do not assume that because you do not pay, that means you do not buy. When I launched, kaya nga po sinishare ko sa inyo, when I first created my products, those are mga shocking revelations sa hindsight. May bibili kaya nitong collection of Bible verses? Isipin ninyo, collection of Bible verses. Kaya nga I love to retell that story because it reveals how consumers behave. Because when I tell that story, it breaks a lot of mindset and beliefs about how consumers buy information. It's unbelievable. Favorite customer sa Middle East ng Pinoy kasi kahit mahal basta may brand name bibili. Unbelievable. Filipinos, you will be surprised how much they're willing to spend on something. Here's another thing, guys. You need to understand how on consumer behavior. We always have something that we're willing to spend more money than the normal people. Maraming bagay tayo na, ganito matipid ako. Sa ganitong bagay matipid ako. Pero pagdating sa ganitong bagay, you will become illogical, right? So ganun Ganun tayo Think about this, right? Think about it. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.